In this video, I want to show you an amazing app. This is the app I'm talking about here. Simple Login. Simple Login will allow you to create an alternative email that you can use to give away to people or to companies that you don't want to give away your actual email address to. So you know how like when you apply online for an auto insurance quote and you just get bombarded in your inbox with all these spam emails? You can give them your second email address and it will come to your inbox, but then you can cancel at any time. Let me show you how this works. Of course, you want to start off by creating a profile. Then you can create your alias, also known as your alternative email address. You can really have fun and be creative and come up with anything you want. Then you can select what your actual .com email address would look like from the drop-down list. And that's it. Your email is almost ready. You have the option to put your name if you want. Once you're satisfied and you're finished, go ahead and create to save it. Now this email is active and ready to be used. You can hit copy and share your new email with people and businesses, or you can send an email using your new email address. Like I said before, it's great for when you want to do an online quote for auto insurance, but you don't want to get spam emails for days. Just fill in your information, but when it comes to the email, you put in the email you created earlier. And soon I'll be saving money and peace of mind, because any spam emails from insurance companies will be sent to my alternative email. And you come at the Simple Login and you can check your emails anytime. Oh, and one thing I forgot to mention, you also can choose randomly create an alias, where the computer will create an alias email for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.